Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add layers to your videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Firstly, I'll insert a video that I'll be using as a base, and this is a tutorial video I've done a while ago, and I have a couple of images here which I will be using as layers. Now, the main thing you need to know about layers is if you add them here into this timeline track, if you add it above the video that is originally there, it will be in front of it in the preview. If you add it below, it'll be behind, and let me demonstrate it like this. For example, if I add the green dinosaurs to the front, as you can see here, if I just elongate the duration of it to the exact duration of the video, as you can see, it is in front of the video itself, and it is buffering for a couple of seconds here. Just wait until it buffers. But yeah, that is pretty much what happens when you put it above. Now if I put it below, if I put this blue background below, and let me just add it like so, if I put it like this, it will then be in the background of this video, and I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, I am sure why it's in the foreground. It's because it doesn't match the length. And if I put it back, it's still buffering, so let me just delete it and try it again. Just insert this, and if I insert the dinosaurs back, you'll see the principle apply. As you can see, they are in the background. If I put them in the foreground, it'll look like this, and you can then play around with that however you want. Let's say I put the dinosaurs back, and I put this image of a dog in the foreground, minimize it. As you can see, now I have a couple of layers in my recording. Now you can also layer your videos as well, and you can layer them multiple times. Let me just copy and paste it, and if I put this video above the other one, it'll just be overlaid with the same video. Nothing will really change. However, what will happen if I change the frame, I can just downsize this and downsize this, and as you can see, I have the same video overlapping, and this video in the middle is behind this video at the top. And as you can see, it is exactly how the layers are ordered, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.